Oh yeah, I looked at that one. I was supposed to look at that one. You could put rum in this, I'm not gonna lie. Happy Friday and welcome back to Cookin' and Compostin' here in the Pela kitchen. My name's Leslie and today we're making a tropical smoothie. Take you away to a little tropical vacation right here in our kitchen. That was messier than anticipated. Delightful. So this week we made poke bowls with pineapple and some tacos using mango. So we have some leftovers. We don't want that to go to waste, so we're using it in our tropical smoothie. We've also got that leftover mango, a banana, coconut milk, and coconut oil, just to help with some fats in there and keep you full all day, and it helps kind of keep everything creamy. And we'll add a bit of ice because it's hot here in Kelowna. Our banana is not as ripe as we might like it to be. The riper you have your banana for your smoothie, the sweeter it's going to be. So if you can wait a bit. Another thing you can do is freeze your bananas. That's really helpful if you have bananas that are going brown, they're about to go bad. You can peel them first and then freeze them and have them for smoothies. So for the coconut oil, not too much, just for that creaminess. Stir this up. Sometimes with coconut milk, you get the solids, the cream, like separating. So give that a quick stir. Otherwise you have coconut cream and coconut water. And just, oh, this is gonna be creamy. Bit of ice. We might need to add more of that coconut milk, we'll see. Seal it up. Our blender here has a smoothie button. So we'll see how that works. There we go. Oh, it pulses. It pulses. There we go. And yeah, this is like a pina colada. We're gonna go on a very short vacation here. And that made a little over this big, like probably 16 ounces. You wanna have some of this?
Yes.
You wanna hit that up?
Fantastic.
Yeah, it's very coconutty. Warning, you're now on vacation.
Yes, I'm gone.
Creamy. Yeah. So creamy. You could put rum in this, I'm not gonna lie. That would be fine. Maybe not in your office kitchen, but if you make this at home, so good. So coconutty. The pineapple is balancing out the banana. Everything's great. Cheers.